Why do some people jump at every loud noise, while others barely blink? It all comes down to your brain's startle reflex, a built-in survival response. When your ears detect a sudden, loud sound, your amygdala sends a panic signal, triggering your body to flinch or react instantly. But here's the twist: not everyone's brain responds the same way. If you've experienced trauma, high anxiety, or chronic stress, your startle reflex may be stronger. Meanwhile, people who are calmer or more desensitized won't react as dramatically. It's not about bravery, it's about your nervous system's wiring. So next time you flinch at a slamming door, remember, it's just your brain keeping you safe.